Good day, Mom. I am Rochelle Asqueta from Barangay Lanas, Dingras, Ilocos Norte, 31 years old, married, with two kids, ages 14 years old and 10 years old. Mom, my first nanny job was in Kuwait in 2 years and 6 months. I started to work with an Kuwaiti employer with the 7 members of the family with 3 kids, ages ages 3 years old, 5 years old, and a 2 months baby. My Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. It's only me. My daily duties was to take good care of their children, like preparing foods, dressing them up, send them to school, and play with them. I can also do cleaning the house, washing, ironing, gardening, marketing with my madam.